I'm happy to be living in the state I'm in. I thank my God, but also thank you people, my colleagues, for having given me at this time. So God bless you very much. And I hope you will be meeting. I have the contact of almost everybody. And now that I'm leaving the teaching profession, I will still be in good contact. I have many friends, my colleagues, and I'm sure I'm not going to affect them. And we are, thank you very much.